The power of giving. Plan for generosity when success finds you. Welcome to this video about the power of giving and the need to plan for generosity when success finds you and when you are creating success. Today we're delving into something truly magical. The incredible power of giving and how planning for it can transform your journey to success. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our vibrant manifesting viewers. We're all about spreading positive vibes and embracing the positive abundance mindset. First things first, believe in your success. You need to believe in yourself and your dreams. This is not a choice you have. You just must believe. Otherwise, you're sentencing yourself to living life in the opposite direction. To know more about this, watch other videos on this channel, which talk about the law of attraction, which in a nutshell says that you attract things that you are vibrating at the same frequency with. Some might say accepting that one may not be successful is being practical and of reasonable mind. But understand this. Lack has a frequency, and by being in a lack mindset you are vibrating at the same frequency as lack, and so, you are attracting more lack into your life. Success is an inside job, and when you truly believe in your abilities and envision your prosperous future, you'll be amazed at how the universe conspires to make it all happen. Keep those positive vibes high and watch the magic unfold. Embrace the abundance frequency. Raise your frequency, raise your life. It's all about tapping into that abundance frequency, where you feel grateful for what you have and open to receive even more. When you radiate positivity and abundance, you become a magnet for success and blessings. So, let's crank up that abundance dial and get ready for amazing things. The magic of giving. Now, let's talk about the real magic. Giving. It doesn't matter if you have a little or a lot, every act of giving makes a difference. And guess what? Giving is not just about money, it's about giving your time, love, and space too. So, let's make a pact to give within our means and brighten someone else's day. Start small, impact big. Sometimes we might think, what difference can my small gift make? Well, let me tell you, it can make a world of difference to someone in need. Think about someone laying by a pipe next to a laundromat, hoping to catch the warmth of the water flowing through the pipes. Makes you think, doesn't it? What if you got them a pack of warm second-hand clothing? What if you and your 5 friends clubbed together and booked a small affordable hotel or hostel room for the day, and had them take that much-needed warm shower? Do you think they'd benefit from some breakfast, and a haircut, pedi and manicure, plus plastering those cuts on their face and hands? Your small act of kindness could be the light that brightens their darkest days. So, let's start small but dream big about the impact we can create together. Giving is a lifestyle. Giving isn't a one-time thing, it's a way of life. Whether it's contributing to a cause, volunteering for a charity, or simply helping a neighbor. Let's integrate giving into our daily routines. When giving becomes a habit, it not only transforms the lives of others, but enriches our own lives beyond measure. The ripple effect. You know what's cool about giving? It creates a ripple effect. When you give with an open heart, it inspires others to do the same. And before you know it, we've created a chain of love and generosity that spans the globe. Let's be the spark that ignites this wave of positivity. Be creative with your giving. Giving doesn't have to be conventional. So it's okay to get creative. Maybe you can mentor someone in your field, support a local business, or even plant trees to give back to the environment. There are endless ways to give, so find what lights up your soul and share that with the world. Pay it forward. As you climb the ladder of success, remember to pay it forward. Share your knowledge, experience, and resources with others who are just starting their journey. Imagine a world where everyone pays their success forward. It's a world of endless possibilities and boundless joy. We all have heard about stingy people. That's on the one hand. But we've also heard about this other type of person that we all would love to hate. This type of person is not so great about keeping money. Here's a bit of a story about a wealthy tycoon named Mr. No Giving. he had amassed great fortunes through his businesses and was notorious for his thrifty and stingy ways. He lived a life of luxury, yet he hesitated to part with even a penny. Instead of using his wealth to help others, he kept it locked away, convinced that he could never have enough. Sadly, when Mr. No-Giving passed away, he left all his riches behind. His wealth, once a symbol of power, served him no purpose once he passed. On the other side of the spectrum, meet Lady Emma Givings. Such a thorn in our side she is. She's a successful entrepreneur with a heart of gold. From the moment she achieved her first taste of success, she pledged to give back. Despite facing setbacks and challenges, Emma never faltered in her commitment to help others. She funded educational initiatives, supported local communities, and uplifted those in need. We were almost waiting for the announcement, all her wells have dried out finally. But to everyone's amazement, the more she gave, the more abundance flowed into her life. Opportunities appeared for her out of thin air, and her ventures prospered beyond expectations. Emma's unwavering generosity turned her into a magnet for blessings. And she continued to make a difference, leaving behind a legacy of love and kindness. The cycle of judgment. Now, it's essential to address the cycle of judgment that sometimes surrounds those who embrace the giving spirit. People who are anxious about holding onto their hard-earned money often judge generous individuals as careless and even naive. They believe that such people are merely lucky and dismiss their acts of giving as irresponsible. But then they fail to see the incredible power of abundance that giving ignites. The truth is, when you give within your means, the universe responds in kind, and that abundance multiplies and comes back to you in unexpected ways. Nature's infinite giving. Nature itself provides us with a profound lesson in giving without depletion. Look at the sun, for instance. It shines its light upon the entire world without discrimination, and yet its energy remains boundless. Similarly, look at the trees and plants that provide us with oxygen, fruits, and shelter without asking for anything in return. Nature gives selflessly, and in doing so, it thrives. Just like nature, when we give from our hearts, we become channels for abundance, and the more we give, the more we receive. So, isn't it fascinating how the universe operates? The very thing you desire most, whether it's wealth, love, or happiness, can be amplified when you choose to share and give of it what you can. The stories of the miserly who left their fortunes untouched and the generous souls who kept receiving more are a testament to this wondrous truth. Let's break free from the chains of scarcity and embrace the infinite possibilities of abundance through giving. Start small, within your means, and witness the ripple effect it creates. Let go of judgment and understand that giving is not about luck but a deliberate choice to be part of the flow of abundance. As we learn from nature, let's be like the sun, shining our light on others, and like the trees, providing shelter and sustenance. In doing so, we become agents of change, spreading love and transforming lives in ways we can't even fathom. Remember, you hold the power to create a world where giving and receiving go hand in hand, where abundance flows freely, and where we all rise together. And there you have it, our beautiful positive manifestors, the key to planning for giving when success finds you. Remember, success is inevitable when you truly believe in yourself and vibrate with abundance. So, let's make a commitment to give within our means. Start small and impact big. If you love this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends to spread the love. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our weekly dose of inspiration. Until next time, keep shining, keep giving, keep receiving, and keep believing in the magic of success. Keep believing in the extraordinary power of the universe.